So I got this 2006 Ford F-150 5.4 3V Triton. I had the customer bring it to me because it kept making this loud humming noise, and he did not know what it was, and nobody could figure it out. Well, I've been diagnosing it, testing it, doing whatever. Well, what I was getting was when I would remove this cap or this line, I would get a lot of pressure build up. Like, I couldn't even take the cap off because it was just sucking in pressure from the cap or the dipstick. So after I did a bunch of investigation, this line that comes to the valve cover was plugged in right here, and this one was up here. This one comes from the EGR, I'm guessing, and I swapped those out because they both fit in the same spot. I swapped them out and bam, fixed my problem. So if you guys ever have that problem where you don't know what's going on, I'm guessing the previous mechanic swapped those both around and had no idea, or I'm not sure, or he was just a dumbass, not sure, but fixed the problem. Again, it's a 2006 Ford F-150 5.4.